I don't care if he plans on going out with her. I don't care if she gets to go there or not. Who cares if they're thinking of going there? She doesn't care what he has to say about her. They don't care when he winds up getting there. He doesn't care if they return the money he lent to them. Don't you care whether he brings what you asked him to bring? Didn't he care whether they saw you talking together with her? Doesn't she care how long they've been talking there? He doesn't care what it is they've got to do at her home. I really don't care whether he can tell if I like listening to it or not. She doesn't care who all I plan on taking to the party. I don't care whether she wishes I hadn't gone or not. I don't care how much money he paid to get that for her. He didn't care if she had something to give to her friend living there. We don't care if she already figured out what we've been doing there. They don't care if you find out how much it cost them to get that. Doesn't she care what it is they were interested in doing at work? Who cares if all he does is watch TV in the afternoon while he's at home? He really didn't care why it was that she had difficulty getting there. I don't care if she tells him that I was the one that took it.